Alright, so this is an update video on the fry that were born on November 28th. So these guys are just under 2 weeks old. There's another one over here. One up there. Originally I found 3, but I found as many as 7 in here. Oh, here's another one down here. Well, that's good. Actually found them. Had attempted to shoot a few other videos, and it just so happened that they all went missing at that time. Alright, we'll take a quick scan through. Oh, here's another one. So overall I'd say it was pretty successful moving the pregnant tequila fish over to a separate place to drop her fry. And I think they're doing amazingly. It'll still be a little bit of time before I move them over, or I might just convert this completely over to a small tequila fish tank. Who knows? Plenty of options. This moss is growing kind of wild right now. Here's some of the swordtails. In a previous video I discussed that the parents of all these swordtail fry are orange swordtails. So it's pretty cool that I ended up with green swords as well. So an interesting drop of fry. So let's see, who else can we find? More swordtail fry. I had more, but actually submitted a number to my local fish club, so I'm an officially documented fish breeder now. So that's pretty cool. I haven't brought any of these in yet. I don't know, I think I'm gonna let the colony grow significantly before I start giving them away. The tequila fish are by far my favorite fish in the fish room. Even at this size, you can tell they've got a number of distinctive behaviors. They hover around. They like to scope out the gravel for things. Swordtails just kind of swim around. The tequila fish have more purpose. Let's do a quick check on the adults. Draw them over. You guys are awesome. There's a couple females in here that I'm gonna have to move them over to the fry tank before too long. Awesome. And this is my first fry that was born here. Maturing, looks like a young female. So exciting. Anubias. Too close. Ah, beautiful. Get a good look at the bellies on these gravid females. Awesome.